Hi, and welcome to TC-FEX. We should ask ourselves two important questions when looking at journal selection. Firstly, how do we evaluate publishers and journals in regard to our chosen field of study? And secondly, how should we select the best journal for publishing our research? In the previous sessions, we initially looked at keyword selection and then title selection in relation to your chosen field of study. Now we would like to briefly explain about choosing the best article related to your field of study. We have two important criteria to consider before commencement of writing your research: evaluating the author and evaluating a publisher or scientific journals. Just click on the Research Toolbox menu option. Now, once the mind map opens, we should click on Searching the Literature. And as you can see again, there are many tools to help us in our research process. These will all be reviewed in later courses. In this section, we will use one of them in brief. Let's say we are looking at a specific author through the software Publish and Perish. After entering his name, we can see all the articles which this researcher has had published. We can see that this specific author has received a lot of citations. Looking at his first published article, he received more than 48,000 citations in total. We will explain in detail the meaning of the citation in the full course of it here. This shows the author is a reliable source of information and can be trusted and included in your own research, as he has received more than 900 citations per year. Other information regarding the credibility of this author, like the H-index, will be explained in more depth in the full course. Before reading any given paper, the following thoughts have to be considered. 1. We have to check the credibility of the source, for example, the journal. And 2. How credible is the author? Only after looking at these two criteria can we move on to reading an article. This will be discussed in the next session. That's all for now. Thanks for listening to this brief synopsis of using research tools in relation to journal selection. We look forward to seeing you again in the near future.